everyone, this is Lomis. Welcome to Shenzhen Vility Automatic Machinery Company. Vility is a leading manufacturer of high-precision equipment in electronic screen printing industry with more than decades experience of producing and providing solutions. Behind me is our owner's work. During decades, we gave many certificates, including National Integrated Enterprise Certificate and 6 patents and high technology enterprise certificates. As you can see, Vility is a powerful enterprise and constantly gave high technology enterprise certificate for 6 years. Our main products are CCD visual registration screen printing machine, CCD regulation die cutting machine, CCD guide hole punching machine, and CCD guide hole drilling machine, and other CCD machinery. Now, let me take you into Vility factory. Let's go. And this is our sample room. If customers were satisfied with our proposal, they can send their material to us for free proving before they place orders. And no matter material is shipped or rolled, we all can meet customers' requirements. And next, we will take you to our factory. In total, we have 5 workshops. And next to our sample room is our small workshop to produce a semi-automatic CCD guide hole punching machine and drilling machine. And let's go. This is our first workshop. It's mainly producing CCD guide hole punching machine, CCD drilling machine. The features of this machine are through CCD camera image to the fast positioning to ensure high precise punching accuracy. Due to this is our hot selling products, we always keep some stocks on hand for ready to ship in case of some urgent orders. And okay, let's move on to our next workshop. Let's go. And this is our the third workshop. It's mainly producing ship-to-ship CCD registration screen printing machine. The feature of this machine is also through CCD camera positioning, and the printing table will be rotated through XYZ axis to ensure the printing accuracy. And next, I will show you our the fourth workshop. And this is our another workshop. It's mainly producing roll-to-roll CCD registration screen printing machine. And the features of these machines are the same as the shift screen printing machine. Now, let's move on to our next workshop. This is the fourth workshop. It's mainly producing the post-press equipment, including giant oven, UV curing machine, and tunnel furnace. And let me show you the last workshop. For last workshop, producing printed post equipment, including die cutting machine and hydraulic punching machine and laminating machine. There are also CCD visual alignment to achieve high precision, like this. Generally speaking, all of our CCD machinery, the CCD camera positioning accuracy reach to 0.02 mm, and the process accuracy reached to 0.05 mm. Okay, the introduction of the Vility is over here. If you are interested in our products, you're welcome to visit our company or send your inquiry to us. That's all. Bye-bye.